GLP-1 medications like Ozempic, Mounjaro, semaglutide, and newly launched Indian generics like Semilix, Sembolic, Obeda, Semaglin are helping millions lose weight rapidly. But many users are now experiencing unexpected side effects like muscle loss, fatigue, nausea, and constipation, along with loose skin, dehydration, and even what people are calling Ozempic face. The GLP-1 medications help you lose weight, but it does not provide you required nutrition, causing many side effects. The real problem is losing essential nutrition during rapid weight loss. GLP-1 medications work by reducing appetite and slowing digestion. This helps people eat less and lose weight quickly. But because appetite becomes heavily suppressed, many people stop eating enough food that is required for your body to sustain energy, muscle, consuming less of protein, hydration, electrolytes, fiber, collagen, and essential micronutrients. And that's exactly where many side effects begin. One of the biggest concerns with GLP-1 weight loss is muscle loss. Many users are losing not just fat, but also lean muscle mass. Approximately 40% of total weight loss comes from lean muscle mass. This means that losing 10 kilograms of body weight would result in roughly 4 kilograms of muscle loss. This muscle loss and low protein intake during rapid weight loss can reduce strength, slow metabolism, and increase fatigue. That's why preserving lean muscle with high quality protein and balanced nutrition becomes extremely important during a GLP-1 journey. Another common issue is fatigue and low energy. Because calorie intake drops significantly, many users feel weak, tired, mentally foggy, and dehydrated. Without proper electrolytes, sustained energy nutrients, and micronutrient support, daily performance can suffer. Digestive discomfort is also extremely common on GLP-1 medications. Many users experience nausea, constipation, bloating, or even diarrhea. This happens because digestion slows down significantly. Most GLP-1 users eventually start buying multiple supplements for different side effects: gingerols for nausea, fiber and prebiotics for constipation, probiotics for gut balance, electrolytes for dehydration, protein powders for muscle preservation, collagen for skin support, and multivitamins to fill nutrition gaps. Managing all of them separately can become expensive, confusing, and difficult to maintain consistently. That's why we created GLP-1 Support Plus, an all-in-one drink designed specifically for GLP-1 users for weight loss. Instead of taking multiple supplement products separately, this refreshing all-in-one drink combines clear protein, collagen, hydration support, gut-friendly nutrition, and essential micronutrients into one easy daily routine. It includes clear protein and L-leucine to support lean muscle during rapid weight loss, collagen for skin elasticity and glowing skin, electrolytes for hydration, prebiotics, and 24 billion CFU probiotics for gut comfort and metabolism balance. Omega-3s for brain health and focus, sustained energy supplement to help reduce fatigue and energy crashes, along with 25 vitamins and minerals for daily nourishment, recovery, and vitality. Every ingredient is selected to support the unique nutritional needs of GLP-1 users. GLP-1 Support Plus also provides collagen support nutrients for skin health and Ozempic face support. From muscle support and hydration to gut health, energy, skin, and overall wellness, is the perfect nutrition partner for your GLP-1 journey. It helps preserve lean muscle during rapid weight loss with high-quality clear protein and added L-leucine support. It also supports hydration and electrolyte replenishment, helping reduce weakness, dehydration, and fatigue commonly experienced on GLP-1 medications. For gut comfort, it combines prebiotics, soluble fiber, lemon gingerols, and 24 billion CFU probiotics to support constipation, diarrhea, bloating, and digestion balance. Natural lemon and gingerol actives help soothe nausea. GLP-1 Support Plus is specifically designed for GLP-1 users. Each scoop contains 24 grams of protein, 10 grams of collagen, omega-3, gingerols, 24 billion CFU probiotics, 10 grams of prebiotics, electrolytes, low carbs energy, 25 essential vitamins and minerals. The complete missing nutrition essential for GLP-1 journey. Most nutritional drinks feel heavy, milky, or difficult to consume on GLP-1 therapy. GLP-1 Support Plus is different, and it's a light, refreshing, clear lemon drink that tastes more like a healthy mocktail than a traditional thick protein shake. GLP-1 Support Plus was created to feel light, smooth, and easy to enjoy, making daily all-in-one daily nutrition simpler, more refreshing, is easy to drink even when your appetite is low.
GLP-1 medications can be life-changing tools for weight loss.
But sustainable results require more than just appetite suppression. Your body still needs nutrition, hydration, protein, gut support, skin support, and recovery support. Because successful weight loss should not come at the cost of your energy, strength, skin, or overall wellness. You should lose weight but not muscle.
If you're currently using GLP-1 medications and want smarter nutritional support during your weight loss journey, visit our website to learn more about GLP-1 Support Plus, the complete nutrition partner for your GLP-1 journey.